Okay, so in this problem from Delta Math, ratios of directed line segments, it says, what are the coordinates of the point? Remember, you can always watch the video to help you. What are the coordinates of the point on the directed line segment that starts at 3, 2 and goes on to 7, negative 6? So since it starts here, that's your x1 and your y1. It ends here, so that's x2, y2. And this point partitions the segment into a ratio of 3 to 5. So then they're literally telling you that that's your little a and that's your little b. So now it's just a matter of finding your x and your y. And I wrote the formulas here ahead of time. And there's a similarity between them. To find x, we start at x1. We multiply by the ratio of a over a plus b. And then we multiply that by the run, right? x2 minus x1. And we do the same thing for y. We start off at y1. We multiply by the ratio of a over a plus b, and we multiply by y minus y1, which is your rice. So let's do this. Okay, to find x, we're going to start at x1. So we're going to start at 3. We're going to add a over a plus b, 3 plus 5 is 8, times the run, which is x2, 7, minus a positive 3. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and set up y. To find y, we start at y1, which is a 2, plus the same ratio. This time y2 minus y1, y2 being a negative 6, minus a2. Okay, so I'm going to pause. Alright, so I went ahead and I put this in the calculator, and it gave me for this one a 9 over 2, and gave me a negative 1 for this one. I highly recommend that you try putting this into your calculator to make sure that you're able to get 9 over 2 or 4.5, which is the same thing, decimal form. And also to type this in and see if you can get negative 1. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the program. I have to remove this from here. Parentheses, 9 over 2, exit, here we go, comma, negative 1, close parentheses. Yes, I'm sure, and I am correct.